Hello everyone, welcome back. Here at Vapor Apparel, we're busy with our Christmas preparations, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we customize our socks especially for Christmas and a perfect gift for underneath the Christmas tree. For the sublimation of our socks, we use this template, which we put the sock around. It should look something like this. We have laid down a piece of protective paper, our sock with the template, our design, and another piece of protective paper on top. And with that, we are ready to start pressing. Now our first side is done, and of course we're going to repeat this on the other side. And there you have it, your very own customized socks. Perfect to give to your loved ones or anyone for Christmas. Here at Vapor Apparel, we wish you a very happy holiday. And if you have any further questions, read the caption down below, because we'll have links where you can find us.